March in Central Florida, and I will show you what I'm harvesting right now. Look at all this nice strawberry coming up. This is a huge berry, by the way, and I started harvesting them in January, but they are smaller. Right now the size is so big, and this is Chandler variety. I highly recommend that variety, by the way. Loquat tree, which is planted 3 months ago, and hopefully I will harvest very soon and try. And you see I have only 2 big berries, the rest of them are small, they didn't develop because this is very small tree, literally 3 feet tall. I have 6 blueberry bushes, and one of them started to bloom in November and it's still blooming, and I'm already harvesting blueberries. So those blueberries survived our hard freeze. We got a hit with 20 to 25 Fahrenheit. I didn't do anything for them, and I think it's completely blooming. Next one already have some blueberries. Hopefully in April I will harvest the rest of them, and this one is so beautiful. Now people with short attention span can drop, but the rest of them you can stay with me and we'll go. Okay. What you saw right now, I didn't protect at all. Loquat does not need protect, but a very hard freeze will kill all blooms and your berries. And maybe I don't have these developed berries. I have only 2 big berries. Not because the tree is small, but because it was hit with freeze. You just need to keep in mind, a lot of people starting to promote loquats because they are cold tolerant, but you might not get any crop. And all that strawberries actually I didn't protect too, because it's very hard to protect for me that vertical planters. I got lucky that I have some harvest before freeze, and I harvested them, and approximately almost 1 month I didn't have any berries, and now they're starting to produce. I have them everywhere. This is on bottom. I need to check if this one another variety, because I have 2 varieties, and Chandler actually more vigorous than another one, Honey O. Because temperatures are much higher, my peas producing and getting bigger much faster compared to in January, February. I barely get anything for myself. My kid will eat all of them. That's another variety. This is a long one. Unfortunately, if you didn't plant right variety, you will get all these dry leaves because they're getting powdery mildew right now. But there are resistant varieties. If you're interested to know them, let me know. And if your red Malabar spinach plant survived cold winter, basically frost, it's not frost tolerant, you will have berries. You see this one in a pot, and it's flowering, and a lot of berries which you can eat and plant right away seeds again. So this is a cool looking plant. Look at beautiful flowers packed with antioxidants. If you want to grow raspberries in Central Florida or in Florida, you better grow Missouri raspberry. You see, it's getting ready, end of March. So in general, in March, you will have a lot of berries. Beautiful. I have pigeon peas here. Only the plant was protected from frost and freezes. And I have a guide how to protect from frost and hard freeze. We got 20 on ground level. It's very low temperature. And I have another guide which actually easy to grow plant. If you're just starting, you need that one. I harvested radishes, carrots are still coming, tomatoes, kohlrabi, and still coming. Depends where you are, you will get mulberries. This is my first mulberry. The other varieties are still coming end of March. Those are first berries are ripening, and I will have some harvest in April because it's already end of March. I harvested peanuts. Yes, peanuts in March because I planted around September, October because this is when I found out them in Walmart. And I created playlist with my shorts what I harvested in March. As well, I have January and February harvest videos with playlist as well. Go check out them. And I specifically want to do this series so I have it for myself, for my records, what I can harvest each month and feed my family. If you want to be self-sufficient, you need to know when you harvest, not when you plant.